clown. Rob Stone, 2 damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam.
What's going on, everybody? This is Dire Raven here, bringing you an Overwatch video today. I figured we'd jump into competitive play and see how that goes. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Hanzo.
Shit.
Fine, I'll be Widow.
Damn. Oh, I can see literally nobody cares about any of what any of the attack.
We can use it. Yay, pick the Mercy. I thought pick Zen. But we need a Reinhardt more than we need a Zarya.
Yeah. Yeah, spin, motherfucker!
Aye. Justice! Reinhardt!
Ha ha!
Wait. Mercy, how'd you get over there? We flew, nigga.
Alright, you enjoy your push through the front.
Reinhardt.
I'm gonna take you down. Oh no! Shit. Back the fuck off my Mercy. Oh, you whore.
I got their Bastion out. Oh god, I need help.
I'm sure you do. Did you live?
Yeah.
Oh.
I forgot
Oh.
how good of a Reinhardt I was.
Oh no. I saw that fucking Reaper chasing that Lucio. Oh, he killed him too. That's awesome. Oh, watch your ass.
Oh, I need healing.
Oh.
Oh, me and Tracer fucked them up.
Oh yeah, 100%.
I got my ultimate ready.
I'm
What
at
is their
like
ultimate with?
I'm at like 95%.
Okay, so I'll go. So I'll team up with pieces. I can't really know when the Reaper is gonna do it.
Okay, I'm going up top.
But I'm not saying it wouldn't be a bad combo, but I feel like Reaper would get more out of it. You know what I mean?
You can't out-soldier me, motherfucker.
Lucio behind us.
God. You fuck off my friend.
Someone needs to get that Bastion off me.
Shit! Watch up top.
Behind us. I got you.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Fucking diva. Ah, I took that Bastion down though. Oh shit!
I got hammer down.
Oh no!
I got you. I need help in the worst way.
Oh,
monkey behind you, Anchor Monkey.
Oh, dude, that fucking Bastion.
Oh, we made it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, dude, it's the bowl. It's the skin I got for him. The stone skin.
Yeah. It's hard as stone, my dude. Yeah, that was a good try, Bastion. What's up, motherfucker?
I know I brought him to you.
Oh, what's up, Zen? I see you.
Alright, I'm on the payload. Dude, I am doing an excellent fucking Reinhardt.
Oh, no.
Should I charge for it or hold it down?
Just hold it.
Hold it down now.
So glad you didn't fucking leave.
Oh god. I got 20 left on my shield. I'm charging it.
They got a Bastion.
Oh. Oh, my shield. I have so little shield. Come on, shield. Charge.
How close is your ult?
I just used it. I won't have it for a while. Oh god, monkey is killing me. Oh, I need healing. Christian? Save yourself, I guess. Oh!
Oh, dude, that Mercy fucking shut down that Bastion's ult. God damn.
I'm popping off that diva and everything.
Oh, that was so good, dude. Such a good round.
I'm telling you, dude, it is the fucking Reinhardt skin. I have not lost a match with this Reinhardt skin.
That's awesome.
I feel like this is like my lucky skin for him.
Of course, we've been doing better the past couple of nights, though.
Yeah, it's skill.
Blame it all on
Smokey
skill.
was a great here. Was a great. I think I'm gonna go Zarya with you. Oh no, I think Reinhardt would be a good choice.
Yeah.
If I get play of the game, dude, I'll be so happy.
Oh,
At least I should. I took down 4 people with my hammer down.
Right. I got gold in 3 things so far, so I must be doing something right. Oh, dude, I finally got Zarya's trophy, one of Zarya's trophies today.
Which one?
The Graviton Surge 5 people.
Oh, you got her Q1.
Yeah, I was like, yay, finally.
You know, someone's probably yelling at me for being a defense Reinhardt, for being an attacking Reinhardt.
Yeah, they probably fucking regret it now too.
There was probably no, not attacking. The payload's actually Reinhardt's really good for payload missions.
Oh shit, I know. Especially on King's Row.
Defense Reinhardt.
Yeah.
'Cause that's what we're doing right now. We're defending.
Yeah.
Andy beside us.
Ha 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 ha, bitch. 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 Help me, help me, help me, help me. Okay.
Where are you?
Okay, we're good. There's a fucking Genjo.
Haha, bitch.
Everybody gang.
Bitch.
Oh shit. Everybody did exactly.
Exactly what I planned.
Fucking Genji. God. Oh!
Bitch. Try going up this wall, niggas.
Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, dude.
How bad could it be? I'm holding off 3 people here, Christian.
There was a Winston, like, on point with us. Oh shit, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no, you did good. You did good. You kept that Genji from escaping.
You want to see something funny? I'm freezing them in their spawn.
Oh, Genji! Bitch! No! Fuck you, bitch!
Oh man, I'm
You're
feeling.
one of those days.
Oh, they got a fucking. Oh shit, dude.
Yeah, I think they've given up. Two of
Oh.
them left! Two of them left! Hammer down, you motherfucker. Where'd you go? Suck him up, Christian. Yeah, fuck you. Oh, Junkrat died.
Oh my
They know
god.
they've lost. The only one that's trying is Genji.
Oh no, help me. There's a Pharah. Oh, I got her. Oh no. Oh no. Mercy, please. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, they're not gonna get.
No, I just killed their Bastion, their only chance, actually.
Shut up, Mercy, we're going. Oh, good shit. I'm gonna. Oh, boo.
Oh, God, the Bastion.
High road.